Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to center taskbar icons on Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward and easy tutorial, and without further ado let's jump right into it. So I'm going to start by right clicking on a blank spot on my taskbar just one time, and then you want to go and left click on toolbar, it's up at the top, and then you want to left click on new toolbar. So it's going to say choose a folder. It looks like the default location it looks to grab the folder from is our documents folder, and that's fine. So in order to do this, we're going to have to create a folder. So right click in a blank spot on this window, left click on new, and then left click on folder. So name this folder whatever you want. I'm going to just call it toolbar. Very simple. Then my header. So now that we've created the folder, we have it selected. I'm going to left click on select folder. And now we have a toolbar folder right here. So what you're going to do now is right click on it, left click on open folder. So now we have this folder here that we want to put all of our shortcuts in. So I'm going to just pop this over to the right side of the screen. And now I'm going to go open up the start menu and start typing in. And now I'm going to open up the start menu and type in different programs we might want. So let's say for example Google Chrome, we want to have that as one of our shortcuts. You want to right click on it from our start menu search, and then you want to left click on open file location, and then once you've opened up the file location here, probably be other programs in here as well, and just so happens I want to add all three of these, and you can do this for any programs you want to add. So I'm just going to highlight over all of them and then right click on them and copy, and then I'm going to go over to my toolbar folder here. I'm going to right click in a blank spot, left click on paste, and now I pasted all of my shortcuts in there. Now that we've done that, we are almost there. So now that we're done that, I'm going to close out of this window. I'm going to delete all of the shortcuts that we want to remove. So anything that's currently here, I'm going to just unpin from taskbar. And you might have to do a little more research if you're going to do like a mail shortcut or whatnot, but I'm just giving you guys an idea. You guys can roll with it a little bit on your own. And the only reason this is open is because I'm currently on the left side here. So if I closed out of here, it goes away. So I'm going to drag the toolbar folder over a bit, and you can see we can actually center it in wherever we want on our screen. So pretty cool. So there you go guys. And if you wanted to make them look a little different, you could right click on the toolbar folder itself, left click on the show title if you want to uncheck that. That'll remove the actual name, so you don't actually have to see that. And then if you right click on the area again and then left click on show text, so you can uncheck that as well, so you just have the icons here. So this is basically where the toolbar begins. So I'm going to right click on it again, left click on view, and then I'm going to left click on large icons. So you definitely have a cool kind of appearance here if you're looking for something like that. So I definitely hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.